This set is called Neon Garden, so we gotta make a garden manicure or it just wouldn't be right. I would probably have a wrong feeling for the rest of my life. I'm just kidding. But anyways, let's apply that beautiful green to another set of stiletto press-on nails. It's kind of hard for me to say stiletto. I'm gonna apply 2 coats of that lovely green to enrich the color. You can do fruit nail art with them. You can do candy nail art with them. You can do glass nail art with them because they're so transparent. And of course you can apply them to natural nails. You can apply them to fake nails. And that's my favorite thing to do because it just enhances them and makes it look like glass or hard candies on your nails. Alright, so here's the idea. I have these nail art wheels, which come with various things in them. Flowers, butterflies, nail art tinsel. I got some moss. So why don't we chuck everything on the nails? Gel nail glue to my nails. Probably should have used some of that fancy rhinestone glue because this glue was just a little too thin for these butterflies. They kind of kept moving everywhere, but it's okay, I made it work. I also applied some lovely flowers. Then I put a little tinsel on each nail. Then I put some of these leaves that I had. I actually had no idea, but they glow in different lighting. They were just glowing under the lamp. Then I applied 1 mini butterfly. And to the thumb I added this lovely yellow rose. Then I had to add some more flowers, some more of those cool like glowing leaves. Added some moss, which I'm very excited to use. I don't think I've ever used this moss. I will say I don't know how realistic wearing these nails would be on a daily basis because those butterflies are gonna get caught in everything. But we're not thinking about practical right now. We're thinking about an enchanted garden. I'll link everything that I used down in the description box down below. You know what? Why don't we take some jellies and make a lovely sunset manicure? But for that, please click right here. And remember, Ascenders, our dreams will ascend to the highest peak. Love ya. I'll see you in my next video. Be out. Bye.